sticking his leg out, Pavlyuchenko.
Ow. How did you do that?
I think that's the best show so far. The Modric one earlier on, possibly, but
Move.
as well,
That's
certainly no, the Gareth Bale one.
very
possible.
Oh, my. Oh! That's on my leg, that's on my leg.